Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to take backup on WhatsApp. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Open WhatsApp application on your smartphone and tap on three dots top right corner of WhatsApp. Now open settings and tap on chat. In chat scroll down and tap on chat backup. In chat backup, first of all select chat backup method. If you want to set chat backup daily, weekly or monthly automatically, so select these options. Here I will select only when I tap backup. Below this option there are two options available. First is including videos. If you want to backup chat including videos, so turn on this button, and below this option turn on backup using cellular data, and then select Google account for backup in Google Drive. Upside backup green button you will see time and file size of the last backup. Now tap on backup button. Chat backup will be started automatically. Now chat backup process will take little bit time depending on the chat backup file size and speed of your internet connection. After completion of 100% backup data, it will show time and file size on the green backup button. Now go back to your smartphone internal storage and find WhatsApp file. If you cannot find WhatsApp file, go to Android file and in Android tap on media. Now tap on com.whatsapp. Now WhatsApp and then open database. In database you can see that chat backup file is here, which is backup 3 minutes ago. So in this way you can take chat backup on WhatsApp. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.